Creative Electrical Techniques YouTube channel, a solar loudspeaker amplifier. Okay, IRF 44N MOSFET. Okay, it has three terminals. One is gate, second one is drain, third one is source. Okay, gate terminal of IRF 44N MOSFET is given to 1 kilo ohm resistor, and in that point one gate terminal to next capacitor positive point, and next positive to audio amplifier to source, third point of IRF 44N MOSFET. Okay, next drain point, drain terminal is given to 1 kilo ohm resistor, and in that point given to solar panel positive, and negative to loudspeaker negative. Okay, this is loudspeaker positive to again given to source point. This is the connection of solar loudspeaker amplifier. Used in this project is solar panel 17 to 70. Okay, next this is the loudspeaker, and next this is the IRF 44N MOSFET. Next this is the capacitor 470 microfarad and 50 volt. This is the resistor 1 kilo ohm. This is the audio pin used in this project. These are the components. Okay. This is the IRF 44N MOSFET. IRF 44N MOSFET. This is the gate, drain and source. Okay, gate to 1 kilo ohm resistor, gate to 1 kilo ohm resistor. Next, okay, next point, capacitor positive from gate. This is the capacitor, this is the positive point, this is the negative. Next, okay, capacitor to this capacitor point to audio pin positive. Okay, next audio pin negative to source point. Okay, this is the source audio pin, this is the negative. Next, from that point, from source point to loudspeaker positive, the loudspeaker positive. Okay, loudspeaker negative to solar panel negative. The solar panel, it's negative point. Next, list. resistor 1 kilo ohm resistor to drain, and from that point to solar positive. Okay. This is the 1 kilo ohm resistor to drain, from same point solar positive. Okay, this is the connection of solar loudspeaker amplifier.